How Stripe built a $35 billion company. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel FinTech. We all know that every tech setup aspires to build a proud product for its clients. So today we will discuss how Stripe began its journey of turning into a billion-dollar company. Without further ado, let's begin with a little brief about the company that is indeed necessary. Stripe, Inc. is an Irish-American private financial service providing company. It was founded back in 2009 by Patrick and John Collison. The company's headquarters are scattered around various corners of the planet, one in San Francisco, another in the US in Dublin, and another in Ireland. The company basically offers payment processing software and application programming interfaces, APIs, for e-commerce websites and other mobile applications. It was founded back as Stripe in Palo Alto, California, in 2009, and later they shifted from Palo Alto to San Francisco. Historical background: these two Irish brothers decided to open their own business as a startup plan. They got help from the PayPal co-founders, Elon Musk, Peter Thiel. Leaving them, there were other investors too who came forward and stretched their helping hand. The company made its first acquisition, Kickoff, a chat and task management application. It was as if the company's turning point, and it rose with flying colors. Growth: after receiving an investment of $2 million from the venture capitalist Elon Musk, Peter Thiel, SV Angel, Sequoia Capital launched itself publicly in September 2011. In May 2020, the enterprise decided to enlarge its branches, and there was an expansion in its units of markets. It expanded from the Czech Republic, Romania, Cyprus, Malta, and Bulgaria. They started doing business with a German-based company, Payavo. They kept a nice hold in their market placement until December, but didn't fail to increase its territory. They expanded more towards Southeast Asia, C, which covers up India, China, and Japan. This extensively increased their labor power. More than 100 employees were recruited. The company's growth has been steadily increased, and transitions were maintained. Investments: the company has participated in investing in similar companies like its own and in different regions of the world. In 2018, Stripe invested in Paystack. It is a Nigerian payment processor. Later in the next year, they invested in Paymango, a Philippine payment processor. Also in February, they went on investing in SafePay, a Pakistani payment processor. Present holding stage situation of the company. Now we can surely put forward our point, which is understandable that the company has established itself pretty well. Now its present scenario seems to be constantly increasing with its sales and revenues. Considering this week, only Stripe raised $250 million from a fintech payment company. The company seems to win over the battle of recruitment among the other companies, which are its competitors. Also, Stripe has been doing it deliberately, and they seem to go forward without stopping or slowing. Stripe essentially created or has built a strong community of developers who all hold up the company and are the active pioneers of their platform. It allows the company to break through those traditional business walls, which can hinder in the future. From the beginning only, the company offered transparent pricing, which makes way for the cheapest pricing policy in the market. This makes Stripe a standout from the other startup companies, which might offer similar opportunities and runs under somewhat related protocols. Many other co-founders from other companies feel that Stripe is doing great and provides innovative ideas that are incredibly simple and accessible in character. Very few of the code runners and developers could possibly be integrated into such processes. The entrepreneurs of Stripe have successfully built a systematic enterprise, expanding its roots and branches all over the world. The main motive for the subscription management leads takes a turn towards its product's flagship. There are other reasons too for Stripe being a big hit. Some say the company didn't sell itself to other companies can be one of the reasons behind its success. It makes it simpler to implement for the developers worldwide to be naturally inclined into it. The company kept one thing in mind, which was to deliver services that would only fulfill the needs of their customers too obsessively. All in all, Stripe executed their ways and processing systems with an apt strategy. Its early success rate indicates clearly how the company has been getting mass appeal from its customer service support. as a result of which the company could control various complex marketing transactions. In the present day, it works over 120 countries, spanning each and every company's size, business model, and other business areas. The journey was not easy, but they got support and initiated an incorrect manner, which eventually gave them this position. This was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed and got the information which was unknown to all. What are your views about the organization? Isn't it a great thing that it came a long way with its efforts, innovations, and strategies? Let us know your views about the same in the comment section below. Until the next video, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more uploads like this. See you soon.